Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this we are going to see the best time to buy and sell the stock. So it is a leak code problem, so which is needed for TCS NQT. This also asked in previous time. So let's see the best time to buy and sell the stock. So here what is our problem statement means. So let's see what is best time to buy and sell the stock. So just nothing but you all know about the stock, right? So in the stock there is a particular time when we have to buy the stock and when we have to sell the stock. So there is a strategy, right? So that is what we are going to implement here. So let's see our problem statement. So here, so our array is given and we have to find the uh, ith day. So prices of stock on the ith day. So where prices of I equal to prices of stock on the ith day. So in the ith day, what is our price? So that is what we are going to find. So what is our condition means? So you are allowed to buy once, sell once, and you must buy before you sell. So we have to buy the stock at one time and sell the stock at one time. And at first we have to buy the stock. We do not sell. At first we have to buy the stock, that is mandatory. So now our task is to find the maximum profit you can make. So if no profit is possible, return 0. So now our task is to find the maximum profit that we can earn. So if there is no profit here, we have to return the 0. So let's see the example for this. So here input is given the prices. So on a day 1 from to day 6. So from there we have 715364 and our output is 5. So let's see. First rule we have to buy the stock. Second rule we have to sell the stock. So our first condition. So mandatory is first we have to buy the stock, right? So to buy the stock we have to find the lowest element in the array. So in this array our lowest element is 1, right? So that will be our buy day. So 1 is present in the day 2. So on day 2 we are buying a stock. So we have to sell that stock. So to sell that we have to find the maximum. So maximum element in the array. So here the maximum element is 7, right? The 7 is at the day 1, but we are buying a stock at the day 2. So we cannot buy this. So the 7 will be omitted. So after in our right hand side of 1, so the greatest element is 6. So that's why, so on a 6, which is our day 5, on a day 5, we are selling our stock. So if we minus this, like 1 minus 6, we'll get a 5. So we got our output. So sell, if I buy that at day 2 and sell at day 3, so in a day 3 we have 5, right? So if I minus this 1 minus 5, we have 4. So our profit will be 4. So if I buy it here on day 2 and sell at day 4, I have a 3, value 3. So if I minus, my profit will be 2. So if I sell at day 5, so my profit will be 5. So that will be a higher profit, right? So that is our profit. So let's see another example. So this is our example. So here is the input 76431 and output is 0. So why is 0 means here it's completely decreasing, right? So what is a condition? To buy the product, it should be minimum number. So here the minimum number is present at the last. So on the right hand side, we don't have any element. So definitely, so we don't have any possible way for getting a profit. So let's just return a 0. So our key idea is greedy approach. We are using greedy approach for this to buy and sell the stock. So let's see our approach here. So we have to first track the minimum. So to buy the stock. To buy the stock, we have to find the minimum element in the array. So let's just store in a minimum. So, and for each day, we have to calculate the profit. So, on our right hand side, we have to calculate with each and every element with the stock price, which day we buy our stock. So, and we have to keep updating the maximum profit. So, if it's higher, we can update it, otherwise, just omit it. So, since only one buy and one sell are allowed, and we always buy at the lowest price before the current day and sell the highest possible profit after buying. So we have to buy only one time and sell only one time. So we have to choose the lowest element for the buy and largest element for the sell. So this is our algorithm. So let's see the algorithm. So let's initialize the minimum price, a large value, and maximum price. Let's initialize to 0. So and traverse from the day 1 to day n. So if the current price is less than the min price, update the min price. Else calculate the profit and update the maximum profit if the profit is greater. So after traverse, just return the maximum profit. So let's see the Sudoku. So we have got the prices and n price which is our array and n which is our length of the array. So let's first initialize minimum price and maximum profit. So minimum price we declare integer dot max value and maximum profit let's initialize with 0. So now we are going to iterate. We have to traverse the array. So from 0th index to the last index. So if price of I is less than minimum price, we are updating the value minimum price equal to price of I. If it's not, we are calculating our profit and updating the maximum profit value. So, and in the loop, and we will return the maximum profit. So, let's go. So, let's create a class for like sell and buy. So, our main class, so our scanner class, and our length of the array. So, here we are declaring minimum price and maximum profit. So, let's initialize here int min price equal to integer dot max value, right? And another maximum profit. So our maximum profit, let's initialize 0. So now we are going to, so now we are going to traverse the array from the 0th index to the last index. So inside that we are checking the condition if price of I is less than minimum price or not. So if it is, we are initializing minimum price equal to price of I. So if it is not, we are calculating the profit. So profit equal to our array element minus minimum price. So let's create a loop here. So for each loop, so int element is to our array. So in the loop, we are checking the condition. If element is less than the minimum price, we have to update the minimum price equal to element. So minimum price equal to element. So if it is not, we have to calculate the maximum profit. So for maximum profit, so we are finding the maximum math dot max. So math dot max. So inside you're finding a value for max profit, comma, or element minus min price. So let's print this. So let's print our maximum profit. So SOPLN max profit. So let's add some statement here as a max profit. So let's run this code. So length of the element 6. So let's give the element 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, and 4. So let's see the output. So 5 is our maximum profit. So 5 is our maximum profit. So we have to find the smallest element to buy the stock and largest element to for the sell the stock. So here the smallest is 1. So which is on our which is our day 2. And to sell the product which is our largest element in the right hand side after the our buy stock. So which is 6. Thank you.